Hey foodie, welcome to another mouth-watering episode inside Foodie's Mansion. Today, we'll be cooking a very rich and creamy coconut rice. Let's get on with it. So this recipe needs very simple ingredients that you can easily get from a local market close to you. Let's introduce the ingredients. You will need some rice, coconut, chicken, carrots, some curry powder, salt, thyme, and bouillon cubes. Feel free to add any other spice that you like. You'll need some green beans and some green pea. You'd also need some sweet corn, which is optional. You need your bell peppers for colors, red, green, and yellow bell pepper, and also some scotched bonnet pepper. Let's start with our coconut, which is the star of our show. After breaking, washing, and blending your coconut, you want to pass it through a sieve to get the coconut milk. Now, mind you, after sieving this, you don't want to throw your coconut shaft away, because for every time that you need to add water to your rice, you would be using coconut milk and not just water, because using just plain water would dilute the richness of the coconut milk. These are coconut milk and we're going to use it to cook our rice. So just keep your shaft aside in case you still need it. So this is our washed and parboiled rice. By the way, you can watch my video on how to wash your local stony Nigerian rice. I'll tag it somewhere. Then you add your coconut milk to your rice and then spice it with some bouillon cubes and some salt. Cover it and allow it to cook totally. We're going to fry our veggies, which is going to add some color and life to our coconut rice. We'll fry some onions until it's fragrant and tender. Then we add our veggies. I'm adding the hard veggies, my carrots, my green beans, and my green pea, and then I'm going to stir fry them for about 5 minutes. Now is a good time for us to add our spices. We'll add our salt, our curry powder, our bouillon cubes, our thyme, and then any other spice that you really like. You can add paprika, whatever type of spice you like. But please don't add crayfish to this recipe. Crayfish has a very strong taste and it has a way of putting down the flavor of the coconut, so you want to keep crayfish very far away from this pot. We've added our bell peppers lastly, so that they don't lose their flavor and they don't lose their firmness. Then we would add our rice, that's our already cooked coconut rice. We'll add it to the vegetable and then we mix it until it is properly mixed. Ta-da! Here we have it, our creamy, rich, sweet coconut rice. This rice was beautiful. Thank you, foodie, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. See you next time. Bye, foodie.